Sorry about the mess. Got the rotors, got the brake pads sitting on the floor on the passenger side. Time for me to head to the shop and get these put on. And I just came from the shop and I went to Mr. Rodriguez and look what he charged me to put them on. That's right, only $55 labor for 2 rotors and the pads. There you go. That's where you go to here in San Antonio. He does great work. Now let's go see what they look like on the car. Okay, there they are. I just broke in the brakes, and they work pretty good. They look good. The only thing about these is they are about 1/8 of an inch wider than the stock rotors, but they fit perfect on the calipers, so I got no issues. And that's it. If you want to see how you install them, I made a video how to install these in the past. I'll put the link in the description. But right now I'm done with the brakes. More videos to come. It's going to be in the shop soon, and I got my new project car coming. So more videos on that to come. Until then, I'll see you.